How to enable auto software update on your Android device. First of all, what you need to do is swipe down and then tap on Settings on the top right hand corner. Now scroll all the way down until you find Software Update. So go ahead and tap on Software Update and you can see the auto download over Wi-Fi. So what this does is it will automatically download the software update if an Wi-Fi network is connected. So just go ahead and tap this one on. It will not use any type of mobile data. It will directly be connected to your Wi-Fi and automatically download the software updates. Now you will have no problem of going and checking out if the software update is available or not. It will automatically be auto-downloaded. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.